MMM. Yes. That should be deep enough. Why, hello there. My name's Dr. Blake, and I'm here to tell you about acids and bases. First off, what is an acid and a base? I'll show you some examples, with universal indicator solution added to show you their pH. So, the red liquid here is an acid. They're numbered 6 to 0 on the pH scale, with 0 being the strongest, and are yellow, orange or red in universal indicator solution. By the way, pH stands for power of hydrogen, and is a measure of how many hydrogen or hydroxide ions there are in an acid or a base respectively. The purple one is a base. They're 7 to 14, and are blue or purple in universal indicator. Acids and bases can vary by strength and concentration. Strength is how many, for example, hydrogen ions are in an acid, and concentration is the proportion of those ions to the solvent, usually water. Bases work the same, just with hydroxide ions instead. Strong and concentrated acids and bases can burn, so this might be nasty. Ugh. That was just colored water. Those technicians got it wrong again. So what, as you're all doubtlessly wondering, happens when we take an acid and a base and react them together? If you guessed neutralization reaction, then pat yourself on the back with a lit splint. Anyways, a neutral substance, like this pure water here, has a pH of 7, and is green in universal indicator. When an acid and a base react together, a salt and water are produced, both of which are neutral. Drop everything. It's time for my lunch break. Ah, nothing like a good old packet of ready salted crisps. Stop. That's a salt. Speaking of salt, did you know that you can predict the salt formed in a neutralization reaction? All you have to do is take the metal name from the base, for example sodium from sodium hydroxide, and then the acid, such as chloride from hydrochloric acid. You'd be left with sodium chloride, or table salt, in that example. You can also work out the formula of your salt, just find the positive and negative ions, and then make sure their charges cancel each other out. A salt is a neutral substance, after all. Anyway, I think I've taught you all I can about acids and bases. I don't suppose I'm needed anymore, so I'll just jump off into my big vat of acid. Don't try this at home, kids.
We